Hey Milwaukee, this is Dr. Michael Hecker, and I'm a chiropractor and a wellness consultant on the east side of Milwaukee. So I want to take some time to briefly give you an overview of my philosophies, how I view the body, and what we do in here. So first and foremost, I use the Zone Chiropractic technique. Phenomenal system working directly with the technique's creator, Dr. Peter Goldman, who works with athletes all over the world. So directly being mentored by him, we're using his system and we're getting great results. And so briefly, let's talk about this system. So we understand that the body has 6 main systems. And there's a different part of the brain which coordinates each system and has all the systems working together. So system number 1 is the glandular system, all the glands and the hormones in the body. Is going from your pituitary gland, your thyroid gland, your salivary glands, your ovaries, testicles, mammillary glands, etc. It's going to handle all the hormones and the glands in the body. Second is going to be the eliminative system. So this is going to be your sinuses, your throat, your lungs, your skin, all throughout the body, and then your bowel, bladder, and kidneys. So a lot of times we'll see some sinus issues, some allergies, maybe asthma, bronchitis, maybe dry skin, maybe eczema, psoriasis, things like that. But then even in addition to that, maybe diarrhea, constipation, difficulty urination, difficulty holding the urine in, irregularity, not going to the bathroom, number 2, every single day, at least every single day. So next we can move on to the nerve zone. So this is going to handle the health of the brain, the spinal cord, and then the nerves. So it has a big effect on hormone distribution throughout the body, big effect with brain-related things, especially things like concussions, and then a lot of fertility and reproductive type of things, especially women who have painful menstruation, maybe a heavy flow, maybe a non-existent flow. We want to look to this zone. Zone number 4, the 4th system, is going to be the digestive system. So now these are any of the parts of the body that are responsible for breaking the food down and then absorbing that nutrition, and then it's responsible for helping get it out as well. Zone number 5, system number 5 is going to be the muscular system, including actually the muscles all throughout the body, ligaments, tendons, and the bone. So this part is really important. This is probably one of the number 1 systems to get you feeling good, especially if you happen to have neck pain, low back pain, the really common stuff. Phenomenally successful zone with that. And then lastly is going to be the circulatory zone. So this is going to be the heart, and then all the blood vessels and all the lymph going throughout the entire body. It's kind of like your sewer system. It's going to be pulling all these things out of the body and getting them out from the blood and then down, either whether you go on number 2 or number 1, or coming out through your breath or through the skin. So that's the chiropractic system that we want to use. In addition to that, we use different things to support that. We will talk about diet from time to time as that's relevant. We do offer different things like a 6-day detox system, completely free of charge. I just give you the information. We'll also address different things like stretching and what kind of things can you do at home, independent of me, to keep you feeling great as long as possible, and get you feeling better as quickly as possible. And then lastly, we do recognize that emotional stress plays a big role in the health of your physical body. So there's different things that we can work you through. We do have some specific different therapies, such as the neuro-emotional technique. We may even touch on emotional freedom technique. We may even address on things like the emotion code. So some of you may have heard about some of these things. We use those in conjunction with other things so that we can get us to not emotionally and physically react to stressors outside. And so there's a lot of different strategies we can work on together to get you to that point. So when we put this entire system together, looking at the physical stresses of life, the dietary stresses of life, and the emotional stresses of life, it's these 3 things that cause probably around 90% of the things that are going wrong in your body. We can get these things balanced out, and the symptoms that you're feeling or the diagnosis that you've been given, you'll notice these things kind of fall away because we're removing the cause, and if the cause is gone, the symptoms are gone. So you can find me, Dr. Michael Hecker, at invivowellness.com. Thank you.